Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Let me show you a very different recipe combining corn and spinach to make a rich creamy dish everyone will love. Perfect for any occasion. Let's go. We have to make this wonderfully flavored masala crush which adds this unique touch to the dish. Fine ground without water. Let's go ahead with the main curry. Saute the masala crush until the raw flavor cooks completely. After that, we will saute the onions until golden. We will cook the tomatoes until slightly mushy. Lower the flame and add the spices. These are everyday spices that work perfectly in the dish. We will mix these into the onions and tomatoes. I'm using baby spinach and these wilt quickly and have a great taste. If you like my recipes, go ahead and click the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I post every week. I will just roughly blend these with a hand blender. Don't blend them to a paste. Perfect. I'm using corn cobs cut into bite-sized pieces and will place them in the spinach mixture. Coat them well with the spinach mixture and cover and cook for a few minutes. Corn should be cooked by now and we are almost done. A final garnish of dried fenugreek leaves and give a good mix. Let the flavors merge. A drizzle of heavy cream to make this a rich creamy curry. Mix well and we are ready to serve this awesome corn palak curry. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye.